Everyone, I have these beautiful nasturtium flowers on the balcony. So today I will show you how you can make fine dining amuse-bouche or just easy snack with them. So let's do it. And let's start with my smoked egg yolks. You will need mix of salt and sugar in 50-50 ratio. Just mix it in the container and then take out half and make small holes to place your egg yolks in. After that, cover the egg yolks completely with the remaining salt mixture and leave it in the fridge for 24 to 36 hours. By then, the egg yolks should be firm but not completely dry. I wash the salt out, then I use a dehydrator set to 50 degrees Celsius and leave them there until they are completely hard with no soft center. The egg yolks are drying, so let's make my filling with fennel and mascarpone. I roughly chop my fennel into small slices and then saute it over medium heat with butter until it softens without gaining any color. In the meantime, I chop some almonds and toast them over medium heat for about 2 minutes. Once they start to get a bit of color, I add butter, breadcrumbs, salt and pepper and cook for another 2 minutes until the breadcrumbs are golden. I'm not following a strict recipe as usual, but roughly 50-50 ratio of nuts and breadcrumbs generally works, but of course you can adjust it to your taste. I set the crumble aside to cool and is ready to go. The fennel is ready now, so I add some white wine and reduce it completely. Then I blend the mixture until smooth and transfer it to a mixing bowl to cool. When it's cold, I mix in the mascarpone, and if it looks a bit strange, it's because it somehow froze in my fridge, but it will melt in my mixture. I finish the filling with lemon zest and salt and is ready to go. I'm using roughly 60 to 70% of the fennel puree, but again, if you like, you can put more mascarpone. And in the meantime, I will finish my last step, smoke my egg yolks. They have been in the dehydrator for around 3 hours and are completely hard. So now I smoke them to add an extra layer of flavor. I leave them in the smoke for at least 10 minutes, and in the meantime I pick some nice nasturtium flowers for plating. And now let's bring everything together. I transfer the mascarpone mix into a piping bag so I can easily pipe it into the flowers. Then I add my almond scramble on the top and finish it with smoked egg yolks. And there you have it, a beautiful snack or fine dining amuse-bouche to start your menu at home. I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you want to learn another cool fine dining amuse-bouche, check out this video and learn how I can make my onion cylinders at home. Thank you for watching, guys, and I see you soon.